Now joining in with me is our umbrella today, Sophie. Good morning. Now Sophie has something to tell us. What is it, buddy? Okay, take your time. There's no need to rush. Okay, take your time, buddy. Now, to make sure you're all set and ready, when I say hi buddy, good morning. Now, Amigo originates from South America, but inhabits in the rainforest of Brazil. As he's a very responsible bird, he loves to keep his environment clean. Now, we have here two sample trash bins labeled as biodegradable and non-biodegradable. We also have here some sample trash. Now, let's see how Amigo can clean up his mess. Okay, buddy? First one. Now, he picks up a paper cup, walks all the way, open the body movement, and he drops it inside. Great job, buddy. Alright, now he picks up a plastic bottle, open the non-body movement, and drop it inside. Next one. He picks up another paper cup, open the bin, and he drop it inside. Last one, buddy. He picks up the last plastic bottle, walks all the way, open the non-body movement, and drop it inside. Now see, if the bird can do it, why can't we, right? So always remember to put your trash in the trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to godliness. That's right, godliness. So our adult boss, our blue and gold clinic trainers, Miss Zana and Mr. James. Now, like this part, they are dimorphic birds. Meaning you can identify if it's a male or a female just by looking at their colors. Now, male eclectus are bright green in color, just like Rio, while female eclectus have dark red in color, just like Song. The eclectus parrot can be found in the skies of Australia, Papua New Guinea, and Solomon Islands. Again, say louder, say Jumbo! Here's our green wing honey, Jumbo. Hi, buddy. Good morning. Now, Jumbo, can you wave your crowd like this one? Hi, welcome to Cebu Safari. Now, everyone, can you wave back and say, hello, Jumbo? Some of us have very long tails with feathers that can grow up to 3 feet from its head on its tail. With a tail that roughly extends up to 2 feet. Now, Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? That's 1, 2, one more time. Good bird. Now, so you can see most of their colors are outside their bodies and less colors underneath their wings. But Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings? One more time, say wings. Now let's think about some zygidactyl feet, meaning you have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backwards. You can also use your feet to hold on things at time. Now Mr. James here is a ground mat. You will place it into the plastic basket. Now let's see how Jumbo will get his done. So Jumbo carefully lifts up the plastic basket and got his snap. Great job, buddy. Now green wing macaw, also known as the gentle giant, as they rank as the second largest parrot in the world. But wait, there's more. From the jungles of South America. First story. Now there are around 400 species of parrots in the world, and blue and gold macaw rank as the third largest parrot globally. And so our green wing macaw rank as the second largest parrot in the world. So a round of applause to our flying macaws. Thank you so much to our bird trainers. Now, ladies and gentlemen, at this moment, I need an adult volunteer. Now, sandwich are also known as parakeets. They are very playful, social, and have a very loud voice. They are natives to the northeastern parts of South America, like Brazil, Guyana, and Venezuela. Now, if you want to feed and go. Now, centennials, they are monogamous type of bird, meaning you can only have one partner for a lifetime. Sana all. But when the partner dies, that's the only time that we will find another mating Luna. Now, Gulfin cockatoos, they are playful and curious birds. They love to explore their surroundings. Alright, now to complete this out, I need another 3 adult volunteers. Raise your hands if you want to volunteer. One on this side, from this. Now, blue and gold macaw, these are large parrot and can. Now, yellow-crowned Amazon parrots are one of the most prolific Amazon species due to their excellent talking ability and playful nature.
That's right. This type of bird are breed every sound like rooster, a cat, dog, and breeding or eating monster.
Alright, now let's try a rooster first. How about cat?
Really, get it, Mark.
Listen that to the parrot.
Now for the next one is a telephone
They talk
ringing.
Dog
Now last one is a whistle. Great job. Alright, now happy birthday to all the birthday celebrants. One more time.
Happy birthday to you, Maria.
Last one. Sino
Happy
birthday?
birthday to you.
Now see how primitive parrots are. They can mimic sound so well because their brains are super smart. Just like how humans use their voices. So a round of applause to our mimicking birds here named Lani and Rui, and also to their mentor. Now let us remain silent, seated, and relax. As we welcome our Eastern Ras Al name, Bella. Now, Eastern Ras Al, they are nocturnal of their hunting time is during the night time. Now, just like any other owls, they have a flexible neck. They can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. It is possible because this bird has a full body. So, a round of applause to our beautiful Eastern Ras Al name, Bella. Thank you so much, Mr. James. Now, up next. By the way, there's more. Here comes a brother with shadow, Argus. Now we're not done yet, as we have another Dominican named Lau. Now Dominican, it is a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and the rest of its color are striking chestnut brown. Actually, my name is Justin. We hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the world.
Hi. Story na ko. Di mo ang tigwatch.
At sige